A 62-year-old woman with a history of diabetes mellitus, hypertension, and bilateral lower extremity edema presents to her primary care physician. Physical examination reveals pitting edema of both lower extremities from the ankles to the knees. She was placed on furosemide. The mechanism of action of this agent is in which of the following locations? A. Ascending limb of the loop of Henle. B. Collecting duct. C. Distal tubule. D. Proximal tubule. Correct answer. A. Furosemide, bumetanide, and ethacrynic acid exert their effects on the ascending limb of the loop of Henle. Osmotic diuretics work mostly on the proximal tubule. Thiazides work mainly on the distal tubule. Spironolactone, amiloride, and triamtrene exert their effects on the collecting ducts. This question discusses the mechanism of action of furosemide, which is a type of loop diuretic used to treat conditions like swelling, edema, in the legs due to fluid retention. Where does furosemide work? Furosemide works in the ascending limb of the loop of Henle, a part of the kidney responsible for reabsorbing salt and water. How does it work? It blocks a protein, called the sodium-potassium chloride cotransporter, that helps reabsorb sodium, potassium, and chloride back into the body. When this process is blocked, more salt stays in the urine. Water follows the salt, which leads to increased urine production. This reduces swelling and helps manage high blood pressure. 124. A non-indigenous person who develops onchocerciasis in an endemic region and receives drug treatment is likely to experience a severe reaction. Symptoms include headache, weakness, rash, muscles aches, hypotension, and peripheral edema. Which statement concerning this reaction is accurate? Answer. The reaction is due to the killing of microfilariae. The severe reaction occurs because the drug kills the microfilariae, immature worms, of Onchocerca volvulus, the parasite that causes onchocerciasis. When the microfilariae die, they release substances that trigger an intense inflammatory response in the body. This is what causes the symptoms like headache, weakness, rash, muscle aches, low blood pressure, hypotension, and swelling, peripheral edema. It is the body's immune response to the dying microfilariae, not the drug itself, that causes the reaction.